How far y'all think I am?
Let's see how far we can go.
Damn near go to the car wash and you go here.
Let me know if I'm a trip.
Here after. Go to the car wash.
Don't get that!
Nah, yeah, you broke it down. You already broke it down, Sailor. You on there. Let me show them, man. What's good, you two, man? It's your boy Young Dub. I've been getting a lot of comments on the Rockville 6.5 speakers that I did in the Malibu, and my white Malibu that I did, I think maybe a year ago, something like that. Last summer, I had the 8-inch versions in my Impala, and I sold my 6.5s to the guy y'all probably seen with the dreads. I sold him the 4 6.5s in the Rockford Fosgate 400.4, and he's got them in his Tahoe now, and we just having a nice little night out in the city, so I decided to go ahead and do a distance test, and hopefully YouTube don't flag me down for because the music ain't screwed up, but I have no idea how far away I am, but I can promise you I'm a good couple of houses away. And I can hear that shit clear as day. Hopefully it's coming through on my phone. This is a humbug type of deal. If I'd have known I was going to be recording, I would have got my camera, but it is what it is. Nice little Sunday night in the city. I was able to stay home this weekend, so doing a distance test on it. Yeah, I think Vel was right, man. You might be able to go to the car wash on it. I hope they don't flag me down for that music. Yeah, bro.
I bet you can go
loud and clear. Yeah, loud and clear.
That's like a block away. That's a full block away.
Bro, yeah. That shit ain't took no dive at all. Like I could barely see the truck on my camera because all the trees in the way.
That's sick.
I'm still going back.
You gotta go to the car wash.
I doubt it, but they probably gonna flag me for the music. That's crazy. Yeah, that's gotta feel good. That's gotta feel good.
Oh, I gotta put my 8s on. I'm about to order a tire tomorrow. Fuck it.
Let me see your lighter again.
All right, so y'all heard him, man. I'm at least a good full block away. And I'm still going back. You can still hear that shit loud as day, clear as day. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop here because at this point it's just pointless. You can't really see the truck. You just see the tail lights on it. So I'm a block, maybe about 2 blocks away from the truck. So I know the whole the K9s. They've been fucking up, and y'all know if y'all on my channel like that, y'all know I had a Rockford M4, I think was the amp. That amp fucked up, so I can't lie. When it comes to Rockville, I'm not the biggest fan of them. But when it comes to their pro speakers, I'll vouch for that shit any day of the week. I'll probably put links up to the Malibu and the Impala in there. So, shit, y'all know the deal, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Y'all have any questions, comments, concerns? Hit me up, man. I always respond to y'all, man. I'm going to have a good night out here on this beautiful Sunday. And love and enjoy life, man. I'm out here, man. Y'all have a good night.